Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. This was a 2023 F150 Powerboost hybrid. Customer state truck was sitting only a week. After that, he tried to start, no start condition. So he hooked up the battery booster to start. It's almost every day. And then he brought in his shop. I look at the battery and then terminal all tighten. This is Powerboost. This one is a hybrid F150 EcoBoost engine plus hybrid system. There are main hybrid batteries, big one under the truck, and then also this one is the main battery, 800cc. Most of the main batteries supplied to the all electric system. So I back to the shop and I hook up the scan tool. I read all the code and then a couple of modules low battery code and also PCM was low battery code. I tested the main battery and 800cc. It shows a good battery and even over time charging it shows good battery. I suspect auxiliary battery location passenger rear seat under the seat, and I already tested. It shows bad battery, and I got the new battery right here. This is battery cover, and then I've got a new battery right here. It's so important the hybrid truck is the secondary auxiliary battery because keep stable 12 batteries supplied to the kind of PCM, BCM or sensor or infotainment, etc. Also support high electric demand feature for this hybrid system, and also assist to main battery. And one main battery wants the low and then is not supplied to the enough power to the auto module even if no start condition. So I already tested. The battery test failed. This is a small, tiny and auxiliary second battery, and then just lay down the location right here, and look at that, is a bleed tube goes in the side of the battery. Don't forget that this hookup. This one is battery result. It's a battery cell inside the internal, so it test this shows remove replace new battery. Once you guys test the fail or bad battery, and then there's a rocking tab both sides, and then lift up, gently release the rocking tab, and then remove the cover, and then you guys access battery replace. So now disconnect positive and negative, and then there's a hold down battery holding cable, down bolt, strap bolt, and remove bolt. And then there's a bleed tube. You guys carefully remove from the old battery because it's a plastic is usually broken easily. So I put the new battery, reversible remover, and I tighten the both sides carefully to not spark, and then install the both side terminal, and then tighten down the strap bolt to back. Now next you guys tighten after tighten strap bolt, and then you guys the back to the again is the bleed tube. This bleed tube goes out of the cabin because of charging discharge the battery with a repeatedly. There's some kind of chemical moisture that is bleed out to the out of the cabin. I tighten both battery terminal and it tie down strap, and then you guys need to reset the battery monitoring sensor. Auxiliary batteries to keep electronic stable when hybrid system keeps turning things on and off. So I performed the reset power battery monitoring sensor. Now it shows 83%. Next picture is the new battery part number. And then you don't have a scan tool, so manually you guys can do that yourself, reset the BMS procedure. Thank you for watching.